Okay, back for the third piece. You tell what that is yet? Come on, knife. Cut something. This knife sucks. That doesn't sharpen anything with thing. It's really dull. So be careful on that side. You might scratch something important. Ooh, I even got all the covers. Bitchy. Bang, bang, bang. Okay. So, this is the outer primary cover with all the pieces on it, surprisingly. Chrome plated though, I'd rather have poly. And here's our inner. Now the inners are 01 and up. See the number right there? They're 01 and up. Now I don't know what this between 99 and 01 is, but something changed because they look the same when I look at them on eBay in the pictures, but something's different. So when you bolt this all solid to here, then you come in there and bolt this on here and tie it all together. It makes it even more rigid. It's a nice tight compact package. So that's your road turd. Now, the Dyna and the Softail will have an extra 2 or 3 inches added in here, a couple inches probably. So they added in the tranny, they just put a longer snout on it. So I have one of those 6-speed trannies floating around down here someplace. Down over there, there's one. So you see that extra mount added to the front right there. And that 6-speed, that's what goes. Takes up the gap difference here. And the primary cover sticks out about another inch or so. So now this doesn't add a lot of strength to it like the Softail did, but it adds to it. If you put the chrome on the floor and scrape on the ground, it scratches it, so don't forget. Okay, so when you bolt this all together, you have a nice strong package. Now this was off the 06, I think it's the same bike. They're both 06 as advertised. So, but there's no difference in these things from the 1 to 6 is the same thing. The big thing is 5-speed is 5-speed, 6-speed is 6-speed. Now we're not talking about the 5-speed tranny with 6 gear added. That's not the same thing. A 6-speed tranny is a different tranny completely. And basically they got another bolt that's up here in the center. This only has 4 bolts holding it to the case, and the 6-speed has 6 bolts holding it. So it's a little bit more stronger. But the disadvantage of the thing is I got to deal with a 6-speed tranny that's like glass. They break like crazy. The 5-speed tranny is a stronger tranny. So I'm going with the 5-speed. Plus you don't need all those extra gears anyway. Alright, so all that goes into there like that. So I have a natural case that I can put with this, but I don't care. That'll be just fine. I bought this case because this one's damaged, the other ones weren't. And I don't really want to use this right case. So let me get this all cleaned up a little bit more, and we'll come back and I'll show you what I'm doing.